Hey, what's up, tubers? This is the SHTF Hunter. So I finally bought a Wazoo hat. Try to ignore the salt from sweat, but I so I finally got a hold of a Wazoo hat. I actually bought one about a year ago, but I gave it to my brother-in-law for Christmas present. And I ordered this not too long ago when I ordered some knife blades from a place called Knife Country down in Murray, Virginia, and so anyway, I'm gonna go through and show you the contents. Wazoo sells whole kits, but the kits they sell I think are fairly expensive. I had to sew on the front patch thing, and I had somebody sew this on for me too. But anyway, so this patch is from back when I fought with Cobra, but behind this patch, I put a utility blade and put a little bit of duct tape on it for cutting. So you can carry a decent amount of stuff for these. I kind of believe the same way that Andrew off Fieldcraft Survival says you survive with what's in your pockets. In this case, you survive what's in your hat. Now up here, I got 2 zip ties that come around the front of the bill. I also got a handcuff key. I'm not good at picking locks, or never tried it much, but there's that. There's a bill pocket right here. At the moment, I don't have a whole lot right here, but so this is my dad's old P38 can opener. I'd never actually used one until just a few minutes ago. This thing works. It belonged to my dad. He actually kept it on a keychain. There's a hole right there for the keychain. He kept it on his keychain, and I always say sometimes survival is just being able to open a can of food. And so that's going. This weekend's a big gun show here in Hillsville, so I'm probably going to pick up either another P38 or the P41. The P41's bigger than this. Yeah, I got safety pin right now. One of the biggest criticisms I got about this hat is the fact Wazoo didn't put the LED lights in the front. So I think it'd have been a lot better if they put LED lights in front. I don't know if you've seen those hats at like Lowe's Hardware. I had some that come from Walmart a long time ago, but I think that would have been a big improvement to this hat. Up here we're going to start with the big pocket right here. I've got one water bag. It's a 1 liter water bag. It's not the Wazoo one. The Wazoo kits are kind of expensive. I've also got water purification tablets. These are the iodine tablets. They change the color of the pH of the paper, I guess. But I label them step 1, 2 tablets per liter for 30 minutes. And here's step 2. Take the iodine taste out of the water. I learned that you can't keep these in the same container. It discolors them. It looks nasty. It's probably not. Just a really bad idea. But anyway, so that's the big pocket. I actually tried 2 bags, but with 2 bags, the hat's not even like fitting. It's just barely sitting on your head. So I'm just going with the 1 liter bag. So at least I got some way to keep water. And in this pocket, I got a pill vault. It's actually got 70 grains of black powder. A fishing line with a generous amount of electrical tape to use for band-aids. And this is another trick I got from Andrew off of Fieldcraft Survival, is to take you a piece of black tape and keep you like a fishing kit or something in it. So here's a bunch of hooks and sinkers. There's the hooks and sinkers. I think it's a really good idea. You just roll these over and you match them up, and you'll be able to pull them apart when you need them. So it makes it a little bit hard, kind of like. And this one I got, I think I got like 2 shotgun primers or 209 primers. I'm always big on carrying them, especially during muzzle loading season, but I guess my whole theory is I could use 209 primer, the lead sinkers in here, and the black powder. I could reload one shotgun shell with these items probably, and or with 209 primers, probably run a muzzle loader. So that's all that was in that pocket. I mean, that's quite a bit in that little pocket. This is one pocket here. I just got one thing. I took some plastic wrap. And I got a bunch of, I got like 15, 16 strike anywhere matches and a piece of sandpaper to strike them on. So that's all I keep in that one little pocket. Now that I got everything out of this hat, I'm gonna wash all the salt out of it from where I've been sweating. But anyway, if you ain't got a Wazoo hat, get you one. So you got three pockets here. You got the two little ones, and then you get this bigger one. And you got a decent pocket here. Later on, I'm trying to get a bite light to go in here as soon as I can find one. And then you got this that runs around here. So, this is the SHTF Hunter. I'm out.